Hello guys, and welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I just stopped by at Harbor Tool and Freight, and let me show you what I picked up.
Hydraulic equipment lift and this pullback ramp right here for pulling out cars. I'm gonna need that, and this is a 20,000 pound one. This is a really nice type of lift here. It's got like tires in the back, wheels, I guess, for this box. I think it's kind of nice. It was actually $200. It was not on sale. I didn't even have like a 20% coupon. But I asked them, can they actually give me a discount? And they went back and talked to the manager, and they said we could sell it to you for $150, which I think was actually really nice of them. But guess what? I went on Amazon, found exactly the same thing for $105. So I actually went ahead and ordered it right now. So I'm gonna have to take this thing back. However, this pullback ram, it's $65 on Amazon. So that's a $50 one at Harbor Tool, which is a lot more reasonable. We also have a transmission jack over here. This is an 800-pound transmission jack. There is another one much stronger than this, but I would not really need that one. This is more than enough. So that's new in the box. And then we're looking at a 1-ton engine lift over here. Comes in 2 boxes. It's actually pretty heavy, guys. This is not something that I'll be able to just quickly throw in a van and bring it up to the property and then bring it down and stuff like that. That's taking time. I decided to go with a 1-ton. Well, first of all, it's cheaper, and I had a coupon for it. I only paid $150. Initially it was like $189, and on the 2,000 pound they offered to me a discount. They were gonna sell it for $209, plus they were giving me a 1-year warranty with that. I think it was reasonable, but I think it's way too much for what I actually need. This being a 1-ton will handle 2,000 pounds. And in case you guys are wondering, a typical V8 engine weighs about close to 600 pounds. Or maybe around, I think around like 600 pounds. I've looked it up. So that's going to be the biggest size engine that I'm going to be dealing with. Most of them are going to be these Sprinter type of engines.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to actually go back. I'm going to return this hydraulic equipment kit, and also, guys, I got this something else that's going to be real special. I'm going to display over here. Speaking of like doing body work, I've got this set. It's 13 tools, different kind of tools that you grip on and you pull stuff. It is quite expensive kit. There was one even more expensive, like for instance the one I got, it was $259 plus there's shipping. I think like $12.99 shipping, and it's got all kinds of stuff in there, just all kinds of stuff. But there's another kit that's like $400. There's one that's even more than that. I mean, if you're some body man out there, you probably need all those other things. But I think I have an overkill for what I need. I pretty much have everything that I would need with that $250 kit. And I got it in the kit, even though I really don't need all of those things, but you get a much bigger discount. If you guys are gonna be interested in picking this kit up, take a look at my description below. I'm gonna have a link to this kit and to the hydraulic equipment kit, also known as Porta Power. I don't know where they get that name from, but it says portable, maybe because of that, portable, port a power, I guess. But anyways, guys, we're gonna be doing some body work on my channel. I have 13 cars, various disc repair for cars. Let me walk over here in the back. I know in the last video, you guys were seeing me banging these doors with my foot. I try to be a little bit comical. One thing I failed to mention is that this vehicle has been in an accident, and they got completely jammed, these doors. And even the collision center, they did not even open up the doors. They told me they're gonna cut around the locks, which I was kind of thinking, well, if they're gonna do that, I'm getting the money anyways. I'm glad they didn't mess up my doors, and I kind of don't care that they actually didn't open them up. But maybe that's why their written estimate for the damages, and take a look at that right there, was only $3,009. But let me show you the damage.
We got the damaged light right here. This was actually good. Damaged all my rubber seals because the way it bent and ripped some of the stuff because they're old, I guess. and you know, damage it. These printers, they suffer with rust. So the bottom of the door, it was painted, but it was kind of like this. And then when it got hit, and all that stuff broke off, obviously. Now, looking at this here, this metal piece that's sticking out, this is the portion that the plastic piece clips onto. This got bent down, but that's actually not a problem, because what happened is, you see, it's supposed to have been, you see, like there's more rust over here. It ripped out from this very top piece. That's actually a good thing. It actually went in my favor, because when it bented everything, it ripped off this step, because if it didn't rip it, then it means this would have been all messed up and bent. But in my case, it seems that with this porta power, once I'm gonna get in over there, like to the back, I'm gonna, you know, underneath the vehicle, let me show you, over there, I'm gonna find an area where I could actually use to try to push up on, and then probably put like some kind of 4x4, both on the bumper portion and on the thing. I'm just gonna push it out with a hydraulic, being that it's a 10,000 pound press. I'm gonna also show you something else I'm gonna be getting. It's gonna be air powered hydraulic, you know, thing. One of my best friends and also my mentor recommended that I actually get that. I think it's actually quite interesting. I'm gonna actually throw it up on the screen and show you guys as well. But basically, guys, once I actually remove this bumper and push this out, and then also I'm going to use a porta power probably to push down from the floor, you know, using some kind of like a 4x4 or something, and I'm going to basically push that up. I'm going to replace the doors, and then just measure it out, make sure everything is closing and stuff like that. I do have a plastic bumper that I'm going to be replacing, but we're going to need to pull this thing off to begin with, and also the metal bumper, which is all smashed. I'm gonna try to fix that one best I can, just bend it out. You know, I don't know if it's all rusted, but maybe I'm gonna be able to bang it out. But this is actually not a huge damage, but I think this is a lot more damage than $3,009, because you know, with body work and stuff, most likely they would not even save this. They would probably cut out and get another one, I don't know. But most of these parts you can't find for them anyways. But just these hinges alone, like for instance, like these hinges, if they get damaged, $250 a hinge at the dealer. So that's $1,000 in hinges, $1,000 just for the metal bumper, not to talk about the bumper cover. That bumper cover is probably 200 bucks, easy. Each door, I've seen them used as much as $750. I've had friends that sold them. And then a pair of taillights in the back, that's like 100 bucks. But then you're talking about, if they're installing doors and the colors doesn't match with the doors, they would need to paint that. Also, there would need to be body work, obviously, down in here. And that's not gonna be free. You know, I just don't know, like, I think insurance companies, a lot of times they're cheating. And they're telling you $3,009, that's what the shop would charge to fix this. What do you think, guys? Is that true? One thing I'm going to actually mention before I go, and I think this is kind of like unique. I didn't know this could be done, okay? But apparently, this porta power thing, it's got like this hose that's coming off of it right here, and there's a pump. You could replace the mechanical pump with an air pump, and the air pump itself, it cost $159 at Harbor Tool and Freight, maybe like $149. We're gonna have to find it. There was a lot of choices on Amazon. I've seen them as low as $144. However, my friend and the mentor, he's in the body shop business and dealership business and does real estate and stuff like that. He told me that that those may be like, you know, not gonna stand up to the back pressures. So the one that's been proven and tested, the one at Harbor Tools and Freight. So that's what I decided to go ahead and get. But all of these other tools, like for instance, the whole kit for the porta power and the porta power itself, it's going to come in September the 3rd. So that's actually when I'm gonna start doing this body work. Once it comes in, I'm just gonna start doing it, and it's gonna be fun. I would have actually started doing this today, but I can't bear the thought of wasting $45 on this thing. So good thing I didn't open it yet. I'm gonna save $45 by just returning this. And I thought $150 was too good of a deal.
But Amazon these days, guys, you just have to check and see. Also, I will mention the engine lift itself. I looked for the 1 ton, and it's $100 more expensive than Harbor Tools Freight has it, and actually probably like $125 more expensive. So you just have to shop around sometimes and price out deals, because I don't like to overpay and stuff. Do you?
Guys, I went ahead and returned the Porta Power, and I did get this air pump. It was $150. It says like a savings of $150, because supposedly it's up to $300, which is it is true for other brands, not for you know, obviously for Harbor Tools. This is a 10,000 maximum psi, and you need to, it comes dry basically. You need some hydraulic fluid. Let me show you what that looks like right here. I don't know if this is the same stuff. Hydraulic jack oil, I guess it should be the same, but anyways, you would need to fill up the system by removing that little bolt there. I will be showing you guys how to do that one of my videos. And I don't know if this comes with an air hose or not, but I will unbox this and let you guys know if it comes with the actual hose. But if it doesn't, I should be able to use one from the Porta Power and just connect it to here instead. It would have been nice if it came with a hose though. But anyways, I just decided to include this for you guys. That way you guys will know it. And the most important thing is I actually saved some money on this thing. I had a 20% off coupon, which I used their online coupon book. And I pulled up the online coupon, and I only paid $120 for this. So I saved $30 on this, and I saved $45 on the Porta Power by getting it at Amazon. So that's actually pretty good savings right there for me. So like what, like $75 of savings. So that's actually really nice. But anyways, guys, hope you like this video, and hopefully I saved you some money. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit a like on this video if this helped you.
But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is gonna be it for today. I wish there was more, but guys, there's a lot more Sprinter videos that's gonna be coming. I'm gonna be putting on my GoPro on my head or on my chest. I'm gonna be working on some stuff. You're gonna see some action. And now that it's going to be, the summer is about over, it's going to be a lot easier to work outside because it's not as hot. And actually right now I feel it's like a little breeze. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, and God bless you guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.